Now, there will be a slight adjustment to the schedule for this year's two-day JTA Sagicor National Athletics Championships set for June 26 to 27 at the National Stadium. At least one new group of athletes will be added to this year's program. Jermaine Brown reports.
When the 41st staging of the two-day JTA Sagicor National Athletics Championships gets underway on June 26 at the National Stadium, at least one event will be shifted from its usual opening day position. Chairman of the JTA National Sports Committee, Winston Robinson, explained at Tuesday's launch that they were forced to make the change due to logistical reasons.
The major change is that we will be making adjustment to one of our field event. We're moving it from day one, and that is a shot put. For boys, we're moving it to day two, and that is open. So what we do, we try to create a balance with our field events because we have 10 of them. So we'll be having 5 day one, 5 day two.
He also pointed to the JTA's quest to be more inclusive at the championships, and as such, will be adding one special group to the competition.
We're asked to have at least a race with athletes with special disabilities, and we also will be including the prep schools. So those are one major change right there, because we have had the prep schools before, but we are making the debut with our special athletes with special disabilities.
National Junior 200-meter record holder Shanoya Douglas will be the patron of this year's meet.
I'm also proud of myself that I was able to be doing so well to be a patron, and that in itself is just wow, and it's just exciting feeling. It's a great feeling.
Meanwhile, the parishes are expressing their readiness for this year's championships, including 2024 champions St. Thomas, who were dethroned last year.
The school that we had the most athletes from, they went overseas to the Miami Classic. They are back now with us, so we are sure that we will be taking it back this year. And we are preparing every day more and more because we are going to take it back this year.
Last year, the athletes, they did pretty well. The only thing that gave us a setback was that the team was young and inexperienced. This year, for sure, with the experience gain, we're coming back. And we are going to really do well in the top 3 this year.
St. Catherine are the defending champions. Over 1,000 athletes are expected to compete, with events listed for the under-9s, under-11s, under-13s and under-15 age groups. Sagicor is sponsoring this year's meet to the tune of $16 million, while the JTA Cooperative Credit Union is assisting to the tune of $2 million. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.